Hey there, welcome back. Today's video is going to be a good old-fashioned haul. I love doing makeup hauls on my channel. You guys always seem to enjoy watching them as well. They are some of my favorite videos to watch also. So today I have a Sephora haul. They were recently doing their sale. I believe it's still going on now as I'm filming this. So the code is just welcome back and you get it's $20 off a $100 order or $75 order, you get $15 off. So anytime we can get any sort of deal at Sephora, I feel like I jump on that normally because it doesn't come around very often. So I was excited to get some products that I've been eyeing from Sephora. So let's go ahead and dig into what I got. So the first item I got is actually a repurchase, and this is from Coola. I have mentioned this a bazillion times at this point on my channel. I talk about it a lot on Instagram. It's my favorite SPF company in general. I feel like they have the best SPFs. So this one is the Peach Blossom. I have tried this one before. The one that is my favorite is the mango one. They have just the best scent to their sunscreens. They smell incredible. They're non-sticky on the skin. They're in like these aerosol cans, so they spray on really evenly. They're very easy to apply. They have all sorts of different ranges when it comes to SPF. This one is a 70. Sometimes we get the 50. I think the guava one that I like is in 50, but my husband likes this. I like this. We use it constantly. I've already went through I think 3 of these this summer because I'm always applying my SPF and I feel like it's super important. And when you find a good brand that you love so much, I'm just like pretty loyal to them. So I did pick up this during the sale just because we were out of ours and I wanted to go ahead and repurchase that. Everything I'm mentioning I'm going to have down below in case you want to take advantage of the sale as well. So the next product I got is actually a newer launch that I was actually pretty excited about, and I've been hearing really good things about this, so I was excited to go ahead and give it a try. This is from Dominique Cosmetics, and this is the collaboration with JD Wadey 180. This is the Ultra Hydrating Complex Primer, and the brand Dominique Cosmetics, I feel like they have a lot of products that I enjoy. I have tried quite a few of her eyeshadow palettes. I really love her lip glosses. I feel like they're just a brand that when they come out with something, I'm always like, what are you doing? Like, I'm always super interested. I know they just came out with their liquid shadows that look absolutely beautiful as well. So anytime she releases anything, I feel like she does her releases not often enough to where it's something where you're kind of like overwhelmed, but I feel like she does in just about the right amount of time to where I'm ready to get another purchase from her. So anyways, I went ahead and grabbed this one. This is limited edition because it is a collab, but I have been hearing good things about it. So again, it's the Ultra Hydrating Complex Primer. So I'm interested to see what this is like. And ooh, I like that that came off easy. I was thinking I was gonna have to rip it off. But let's go ahead and put a little bit of this out. I was hoping that it's going to be similar to like my Smashbox primer when it's going to be like hydrating on the skin but kind of fill your pores and such still, which I think is what this one is marketed as. So it does look like it's going to be really lightweight. It kind of almost has like a hint of like cucumber or something. I don't know, that smells really nice. I really like the smell of that. It's very soft though, it's not like an intense fragrance. So I'm really excited to try this out on the skin. They do have like some skincare benefits in these as well. So anything that has skincare benefits that's going to be in a primer, I'm going to be all about. Also, I do want to mention that my face is very, very glowy today. I accidentally used the Laura Mercier Glow Powder instead of the regular like translucent powder, and I set my entire face with it. So we're glowy, we're shiny. I'm just gonna have it happen. In here I got a sample. This is from Sol de Janeiro, and I chose this as like my sample because I've been wanting to try this. So this is their shampoo and conditioner. I've heard that this smells just like the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream, which smells incredible, and I saw this as one of like the free little samples, and I was like, okay, I need to grab this. So I'm gonna try it out. So it just has like enough probably for one use in here, but I'm curious to see the scent on that and also see how it like feels in my hair. I'm excited about that. And then I also got another primer. This is one I've been wanting to try for a long time, and they finally came out with a mini. I've been waiting for them to come out with a mini. This is from Tatcha. When they came out with the original Silk Canvas, I waited for a mini as well because something about purchasing such a expensive primer, I'm like, I don't know about that. Like their original Silk Canvas primer and the liquid one I believe is like $52 or so, and that's really pricey for a primer for me. So I waited for the mini, that way I could try it out and see what I thought of the original. And I like the original, but it's not a favorite of mine. So when I saw they were coming out with the liquid version, I was very interested in this because I prefer that sort of primer for myself. But I've also been hearing a lot of people say that they like this one better than the original one, and they feel like it does more for their skin, which I can appreciate and I want to try. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a tiny bit of this on. I don't want to waste it because it still is expensive. I think it was like $23 for even the mini. So I'm gonna put like the tiniest little dot right there. But I kind of am just curious to see. Okay, so it has a little bit of like a grippy texture almost. Here's what it kind of looks like, and you can definitely tell that it's gonna be still like pore filling, kind of like the original Putty is, but it might just be a slight bit more hydrating on the skin. It has like the same scent that that one has, so I'm very curious to try this out and see if I like it, and maybe I'll purchase the full size in another sale. But I kind of love the fact that they offer minis. I love that stores have so many minis now. Ulta has a ton of minis, Sephora has a ton of minis. It's just a really great way to try out products without committing to the full size price of products, which I appreciate. Okay, next up, I actually grabbed this lip bundle, and I don't often go for these bundles because I feel like I have so many lip products, and I feel like I have a lot of products in general, but unless if there's a few like products I really want to try, I kind of steer away from these. But this mini set was so good. This is $29, and you got 5 different lip products in here, and 2 of them are full size. So I feel like this is a really good value for something that you've been wanting to try out. The ones that got me in here was the Fenty, was a full size, and the NARS. And these are 2 products that I've been wanting to try. So since those are full sizes, and then I also got the minis in here, I was like, why not? So let me show you guys what came in this set. Okay, so here's what it looks like. So you have all of the lippies in here. So the one that made me grab this one was actually the Fenty, because I've been wanting to try this color. So this one is in the shade Fussy. I have the original gloss bomb, but I have that one in like a little mini that I got in another set. But this one is a full size, which is cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch this because I've just been really curious to see what this color looks like. I love a good like pinky gloss, and I think that this color is so cute. I've seen it a bunch, but here's what Fussy looks like. And then also in here is the NARS. This is called their Afterglow Lip Balm. And this is one that I've always wanted to try as well, because I feel like a lot of people always recommend this one. And this one is in Laguna, I believe. Oh, Orgasm, okay. So here is what that one looks like. I feel like I'm so used to them like Laguna or Orgasm, but obviously it would be Orgasm. But it's such a pretty, just like pale pink color. And I've been really enjoying their lip oils, so I think that I'm really gonna like this formula as well. And then in here we have from Patrick Ta one of his glosses, and this one is in She's Expensive, which is a super cute gloss. I know I have one gloss from Patrick Ta. I can't remember which color I have, so I'm gonna check and make sure that I don't have this one already, because I know I have one of his glosses. So let me go check and grab that, and then I'll swatch it if I have that one. Okay, so this is actually the same gloss that I already own, but why does it look so different? Like, I've had this one a little while, but like, let me show you guys what I mean. Can you see? Like, one looks way pinkier than the other one. I don't know why that is, but they say they're the same shade, so they're both She's Expensive. So I won't open this little mini. I'll put it in like a giveaway or something for you guys, but I'm curious why they look so different. Like, maybe this one just got separated or something. That's really weird. I haven't had this one like that long to where it should be doing that. So anyways, I have that mini in there. And then there's also one of the lip injections from Too Faced. This is the formula. If you guys haven't tried this, this is intense, like intense. I have one of them, but I have a colored one. This one looks to be more of like a clear. So this is just a lip plumping gloss, and when I tell you it's plumping, like, it's plumping. It hurts your lips, but it does plump your lips. So I feel like if you can handle the tingliness for a little bit, it really does plump your lips, but it's just like a clear color. And then there is one more in here from Lancome, and this is one of their little mini juicy tubes. I know that these just came back out, so these are fun from Lancome. So that's everything that's in the little lip bundle, which again, to get the 2 full-size products was worth it for me for the $30. And then I guess I'll throw this one in a giveaway, and then I'll also throw this one because I believe I have this color as well. But I just thought it was a cute little set there from Sephora. I love their little collections. I feel like if you can find something that you've been looking for in those, they're a great value for sure. Again, that was only $29, which I thought was great. Okay, and then another little sample that I got is from Fresh, and this is the Rose Face Mask. I've never tried this, so I thought I would give this a try. I don't often go for the samples. A lot of times I skip them, but if I see anything that I've been interested in trying, then I will go ahead and grab it. And then the last thing that I got is actually a Viseart palette, and I'm really excited because I wanted to try Viseart for a long time now, and I kind of was just like eyeing palettes, and I was like, what palette am I gonna get? And this one just kind of screamed out at me. It's not a new palette from them, but the colors just look so beautiful that I just had to go ahead and throw it in my carts. And like I said, I've been wanting to try their formula, so go ahead and show you guys. So this one is called the Paris Edits. It's just like after my heart because I love Paris so much. So this is what the packaging looks like on here. Very cute packaging. I've never tried one of their palettes before, so I am very curious to try it. So this one is just like a little mini palette, but it has a lot of really cute colors in it, like colors that I go for. These like mauve tones are just like right down my alley. I love mini palettes. I love palettes I can travel with. I love that it kind of has the magnetic closure. Like I feel like this would be really nice to just kind of throw with you on the go. So I'm very interested to go ahead and swatch because I feel like I haven't ever experienced their shadows before, so I kind of want to see what it's about. I feel like I hear mixed reviews. I either hear people that like love their shadows, or I feel like people who are kind of on the fence about them. So far the mattes are actually swatching very beautiful. Here are some of the mattes. There's a shimmer there. This is the shimmer that I kind of like made me want the palette, is this one I'm about to swatch right now. Yeah, that one is pretty. Like this one right here. That is absolutely gorgeous. That was the one that I was like, I want that all over my lid right now. Also, this copper shade was so pretty as well. Wow, these shimmers are beautiful. I'm just so excited. There's the copper shade right there. That's what I was hoping for, like foiled, intense shimmers. That's what I'm about. So you guys will have to let me know if you want to see a look with this palette. It wasn't super crazy expensive. I think it was $30, I think, for the palette. I mean, it's still kind of a lot for a mini palette, but you do get a lot of different shades in there, which I thought was cool. I am just like looking at myself in the monitor. I'm so glowy. It's like, it's a lot. It's a lot of glow. But after that, that is everything that I got. I know it's not like the biggest haul, but that was $100 worth. So that's what $100 gets you at Sephora. I feel like I didn't get very many products, but I'm excited about the products that I did get. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. I know, again, it wasn't super huge, but I'm excited about the products that I got, and I'm excited to try out everything, and just like these swatches have me excited. So let me know down below if you took advantage of the sale, anything that you guys got, or anything that you've been eyeing. I'll have everything I mentioned down below in case you are interested, along with the code if you want to go ahead and shop the Sephora sale as well. I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe before you go, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, friends.